Bagnet Pinakbet, isa yan sa famous na Ilocano cuisine. Kaya tara, dayo tayo and let's explore the flavors of Ilocano cuisine in one Ilocano restaurant in the metro. For today's video mga bakay, dumayo kami ni Bonita sa UPS 5 Sukat Parañaque para nga mapuntahan at ma-experience at syempre matikman ng Ilocano cuisine na ino-offer ng isang restaurant dito. At ito nga ang Tea Ilocana. From its name pa lang, it's like a combination of tea and Ilocana. Kaya nga naman, kung huhulaan nyo, ay isang Ilocana talaga ang may-ari nitong restaurant na to. Sobrang nakaka-good vibes and gaan sa pakiramdam ng restaurant nila, where they have simple dining area and also an alfresco dining area na makapag-accommodate ng maraming customer. They also have parking area para naman sa mga customers na may sasakyang dala. One thing that catches my attention is the map of Ilocos in their dining area, which promotes the tourism of Ilocos. Now, regarding with our main reason ng pagdayo namin dito, sobrang dami mong option na pwedeng pagpilian. They have coffees, teas, and juices. They have sandwiches. They also have rice meals and group meals that can satisfy your cravings papa-breakfast, lunch, dinner, at pati merienda. Siyempre naman, di na pinatagal ni Bonita at namili na nga siya ng aming kakainin. So what we've tried are igado, na isa sa main cuisine from Ilocos. It's like combination of pork and liver with matching green peas and bell peppers. In my opinion, para siyang mechado or menudo with Ilocano flavor. We also tried their bagnet sisig na isa sa nagustuhan ko. Ang kanilang sisig na sobrang crispy na may kakaibang flavor. Hindi din masyadong madami ang sibuyas na halo nito kaya halatang walang daya. And one of my favorite is yung bagnet pakbet nila. Grabe, na-miss ko yung gantong klase ng luto ng pakbet dahil bukod sa mixed vegetables na main ingredient ng pakbet, sobrang nagpasarap ang bagoong na pampalasa nito. Tapos they also use bagnet as their main meat for the cuisine na sobrang crispy. Kaya naman kung tatanungin nyo ko, baka isa to sa dahilan ng pagbalik ko dito sa kanila. They also serve 3 different crispy chicken sandwich which represent different tourist spots in Ilocos. Kasi nga, di ba, they are promoting Ilocos tourism. So what they serve is patapat bridge, chicken sandwich with mozzarella cheese and jalapeno. Vegan City, a chicken sandwich with bacon and barbecue sauce, and Bagwi Windmill, chicken sandwich with tomato, lettuce, and cucumber. At alam nyo, isa sa nagpasarap talaga ng sandwich nila, isang special dressing na nilalagay nila dito, which proudly made by the owner. Dami ko na bang kwento? Grabe, ang sarap naman kasi talaga. Kaya kayo, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Yayain nyo na ang barkada o pamilya at tara, dayo tayo! Again, they are located sa Block 2, Lot 12A, Filipinas Avenue, UPS 5, Sukat, Parañaque, and they are open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. They can accommodate delivery via Lalamove. I-message nyo lang ang kanilang page for inquiries and available din sila sa Grab app for other delivery options. So siya, uubusin muna namin ito ni Bonita dahil nga marami pa kaming dadayuhin at pupuntahan na mura, masarap at kakaibang kainan. So thank you for watching and don't forget to eat, ride, and grind!